Have you been looking for a simple way to support your wellness goals and stay consistent with a healthy lifestyle? If so, you may want to learn more about CitrusBurn, a citrus-inspired wellness supplement that is gaining attention from people who are focused on improving their daily routines. CitrusBurn is designed to complement an active lifestyle and healthy nutrition plan. Its formula includes carefully selected ingredients commonly associated with metabolism support, energy, and overall wellness. While no supplement can replace healthy habits, many people choose products like CitrusBurn as part of a balanced approach to reaching their personal health goals. One of the biggest challenges many people face is staying motivated and maintaining consistency. Between busy schedules, long workdays, and everyday responsibilities, it can be difficult to stay focused on healthy habits. That's why having a simple daily routine can make a meaningful difference. Imagine starting your day feeling motivated to make better choices. Whether you're going for a morning walk, preparing nutritious meals, staying hydrated, or making time for regular exercise, every small step contributes to long-term success. Healthy living is not about perfection. It's about creating sustainable habits that fit your lifestyle. CitrusBurn is designed to fit conveniently into that journey. Combined with balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and consistency, it can become part of a wellness-focused routine that helps support your goals. Remember, lasting results take time. There are no shortcuts to health and wellness. The most successful approach is always one built on healthy habits, dedication, and patience. If you're interested in learning more about CitrusBurn and discovering whether it may be a good fit for your wellness routine, click the link below and explore the details for yourself. Your journey toward a healthier, more active lifestyle can start with the choices you make today.